Good night, teacher. Nice to meet you. My name is Guillermo Andrés Frasica, and in this moment I present my part, the work collaborative. Okay. Item student in charge, contract clause defining the proposal for the commercialization of the value proposal. 1. Parties. Legally, the company is constituted within the Colombia legal framework, and its name is Topographic Designs. Its location is in Villavicencio at the address Carrera 15 at 15 I-16. 2. Start date. The start of the license will be October 13 of the current year. Duration. The duration of the patent will be 4 years, and from this the decision is made whether to renew it or not. 4. Nature or license EP is included in the patent total license. 5. Works shall do. The working hours will be according to how established by the parties. Taken into account the proof of the license will be give 1 month for it. 6. Cost. Taken into account the requirements based of the license topographical designs, our company will assume the installation costs and, if necessary, annual update of the version. 7. Lump sum royalties. Royalties for the use of the technology transfers with the consult in an agreement process with the licensors. Likewise, the licensed topographic designs will not transfer more than 50% for your royalties. 8. Payments schedule. The payment schedule will be made bi-monthly for the moment the license is accurate. 9. License option. In the agreement made with the licensed party, the exclusivity of the patent will be required, at least in the same sector, that is not be granted the competitions. 10. Option term on license. Topographic designs in the agreement that it makes with the license party grants a period of no more than 2 months from the moment a verbal agreement is reissued to the license, so that the latter can make the adjustment for the technology transfers. Okay, teacher, this is all.